Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a full backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Once done, go to Settings, General, then VPN and Device Management, and locate the iOS 26 beta profile to remove it. Tap Delete Profile and authenticate with your passcode or Face ID. After you remove the profile, make sure to restart the iPhone. Restarting clears temporary beta flags and prepares the device to exit the. Once your phone has restarted, decide whether to update to the latest public release or perform a restore. If you choose Update, go to Settings, General, Software Update and install the public build when it appears. If you need a clean slate, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to restore with the latest public IPSWA. This fully removes beta remnants. During either option, make sure to keep the device plugged and wait. Interrupting can corrupt the OS. You wrap up by completing the on-device setup, and if you restored, reloading your backup from iCloud or Finder. If the public update didn't appear, put the iPhone into recovery mode and reinstall the stable IPSWA via Finder or iTunes. Recovery forces the device back to a public release channel. If you face persistent issues like boot loops, perform a DFU restore. This is more invasive, but removes deep beta traces. Make sure you have a backup before doing DFU because it erases everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.